from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Moving on to world financial news.
China's foreign exchange reserves rose in March, official data showed, even as the US dollar climbed against other major currencies. The country's foreign exchange reserves, the world's largest, rose by $19.8 billion to $3.246 trillion last month. The US dollar lost ground this past week, but the tide could turn back in its favour in the coming days, especially if Wednesday's US inflation report surprises to the upside and triggers a hawkish repricing of interest rate expectations. The Brent and US West Texas Intermediate crude oil benchmarks rose more than $1 a barrel to end last week, as markets watched for signs of any direct conflict between Israel and Iran that could further tighten supplies.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst to pick up today's main economic events.
Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, current, will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2301 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.